Hello friends, in our last video we have used rank, dense rank and row numbers, ranking of on various attributes. So we have used rank function and we were doing sorting based on ranking. What if I want to do ranking over multiple section of a table? So let's say we have various shipping mode and we want to assign the rank within each shipping mode. We have various shipping mode and we want to assign the ranking within each shipping mode. If shipping mode changes, rank will change. We are trying to giving context of range for which you need to apply the rank. There are practical cases where you need to do that. You will use the concept of partitioning for this. So you already seen the syntax of partitioning in rank class, rank lecture. I already written there the syntax of partitioning by as a clause. It's a clause. So let's try to understand how to write it, how it works. We already familiar with the syntax of rank partition by. So what is this partition by do? If you want to give rank for various shipping mode, within each shipping mode, you want to rank the contacts to change that is within shipping mode. You have rank from 1 to n and for the next shipping mode, you will reset to 1. In such cases, we use partition by clause where we have to change, uh, we want change of rank from 1 to n in each partition. Partition may be based on shipping mode, partition may be based on some other. Now let us try to understand how much shipment is happening based on each shipping mode and shipping month. Let us create a summary itself, then we will try to do partition by window top of it. So we can provide rank within partitioning. First, I need to create summary of shipping mode at month level, how much shipment is happening. So we will use shipping dimension table. So what is it is going to happen? We are using select ship mode month for summary. Select ship mode month of ship date as shipping month. Count a star as shipment. Basically, we want from shipping dimension table ship mode, ship date, and total shipments in each ship mode. So we have used aggregate function count star because we have used aggregate function, then we have to use group by clause. Okay, group by on the basis of ship mode and month of ship date. Okay, so basically we want to see the summary of shipping. In summary, what we really want to do, we want shipping mode, we want ship date, we want shipments. Okay, the total shipment will be counted as shipment, count a star as shipments, the total shipments. Okay, now let's see, we will quickly run it and we will see the result of it. We will see the summary, what summary is saying about. See, regular year have shipping month 10 and it have 467 shipments. Similarly, regular year in month of 11, it have 467 same. Delivery truck have in month of 691. Regular year have in month of 504. Similarly, delivery type 9 in shipping month 9 have 86. For regular year have 488. So you can go and you can understand that delivery truck in month of 7 and 11th have 95 and 86. Okay, so now we will use the ranking, we will use partition by clause. So its grouping is done here. So once grouping is done, we can see the summary. Grouping is done on shift mode and on the basis of month. Now top of this, if you have to rank, let's use common table expression and use as subquery out of this. So if we use it as a subquery and we use common table expression of this query, how we can write it down? So go to next. Within with shipping summary, we have created a table, format table expression named as shipping summary, and the result of this one query uh, is saved as shipping summary as common table expression. So what we will see here, we will use rank function, we will use partition by clause. We want to see all the data. So we want to see all the records from the table. Along with that, we need to provide rank. On what order we should rank? We should sort it based meant. So on what order we should sort the data. In partition by clause, we need to provide different set of ranks within each shipment mode. So we are using partition by clause, partition by ship mode. Understand this? Partition by ship mode. Order by shipments. Okay, as shipping rank from the name of table. So entire exercise is with ship mode now. We have rank and we don't need to have any other operation for now. We want to rank over using partition by clause, and partition is based on ship mode. Partition is based on ship mode. Understand this. And it is ordered by shipments. We want to see it in the descending way as column name shipment, shipping as column name shipping rank from the table which we have which we have created as CT. So if we are going to run this one, what we will get the result? See, delivery truck in the month of 12 have 107 shipments and it's ranked 1 because it has maximum number of shipments. Now delivery truck in month of 3 have 105 shipments and it is ranked at 2. Okay, similarly delivery truck in month of 4 have 105 and it is ranked 2. So it is the because we are using rank function, so after 2 we will get 4. I hope you learned in last videos how we will get this after 2. So scroll down here, we will have delivery truck in the month 10th month 81 shipments and it has 12 shipping rank. So all the ship mode express year has 11 month and it is having in 8th month 11th month 85, but it is getting after 5 it is getting 7, it is not getting 6 because it's same output as we can expect from rank function. I hope you understood how to use rank, how to use partition by, and how to use descending, how we can use common table expression, how we can group by in the same query. So it's I guess it's a little bit complicated query. Or we can say it's a complicated query. Now you can notice that result is same as we really want. It will do the exact same function even over dense rank. What is the difference between dense rank? Dense rank does not have any gap. As it has 3, 3, 4, dense rank does not have any gap. So now we will see the same thing by using dense rank. So, then the query will be same. We will change only. We will replace only rank with dense rank. If we are going to run this one query, what is the difference will be created in output? If we are going to execute it, then you can see uh, delivery truck having month of 12th, 3 and 4. It is having 107, 105, 105 and it has shipping rank 1, 2, 2 and 3. It does not have any gap. But for the same means same values of shipments 105, 105, it has allotted shipping rank 105, 105. If we really want any kind of uh, distinction or any kind of we have restriction on the output that one rank should be allotted to the one only. Okay, and then we will use row number function. Row number function will create the result in more significant way as compared to rank and dense rank. See, here it will have shipping rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nothing is repeating here. In every ship mode, it is partition by shipping mode. In every partition by, you can see as we are starting by regular ASC. Here up to 12 and here we are starting from 1. So it is the beauty of partition by close. It will partition in the result view, and it will re-rank the every section on which we have partition. Here we have partition by on ship mode. Then for every ship mode, it will have a quite different rank. It will start from 1. See, as delivery truck will finish and you are starting express air, it will start again from 1. So it's the beauty of partition by close. It's the beauty of which this is not repeating. It's the beauty of row number function, and we have used various functions simultaneously. As we can talk about this one some query with close city we are using, and we are using it as a subquery. Then result of this query we are using as common table expression. Then we will want to see all the record, and we have row number function. We have used over close. We have used partition by close on the attribute where we want to partition by, and order by on the on which we want it to display order by shipments in descending order. So whenever it is starting from next section of the ship mode delivery truck to express here, it is showing maximum here. Now it's decreasing. When next shipping mode section will start, it will again start from top one of that section. So we can understand that we have used various functions simultaneously to get our effective result. I hope you learned how to use all these things, how to do partitioning. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please do more and more practice. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel if you really like my video.